The book, Lifespan: Why We Age and Why We Don't Have to, written by Dr. David Sinclair, presents several main lessons concerning the biological aging process and its potential malleability. As a notable scholar in the field of biological gerontology, Sinclair posits that aging isn't an inevitable process, but rather a disease that can be treated or even reversed. This, in essence, forms the foundational lesson of his book, challenging the traditional perspective of aging as a natural and unavoidable occurrence. One of the significant lessons that Sinclair forwards is our understanding of the information theory of aging. He proposes that aging stems from a loss of information, specifically information within our epigenome, the system that turns our genes on or off. Unlike our static genetic code, our epigenome can be modified by lifestyle and environmental factors. As we grow old, these youthful epigenetic instructions get lost, causing cells to read the wrong genetic code and function improperly. Hence, if we can protect or restore this vital genetic information, we could potentially slow down or reverse aging. The author also discusses the importance of naturally occurring molecules in delaying the aging process. Sinclair underscores the power of sirtuins, proteins found in almost all life forms, which are known to promote longevity. These longevity genes purportedly settle the debate on whether aging is programmed or not. If we could stimulate these genes to protect our bodies against deterioration, we might be able to influence our lifespan. Moreover, Sinclair's work redefines our understanding and approach to diseases that we usually associate with aging, such as Alzheimer's, certain cancers, and heart disease. He postulates that these should not be treated as separate afflictions, but as symptoms of the broader disorder known as aging. By tackling the root cause, aging, we might stand a better chance against these conditions. What's more, the book discusses lifestyle adaptations that could assist in counteracting the aging process. Among such changes are exercising more, eating less, exposing oneself to cold temperatures, and experiencing physical and psychological stress in moderation. However, Sinclair also cautions against over-reliance on these measures and underlines the potential of scientific intervention alongside these lifestyle changes. Perhaps one of the most controversial lessons in the book revolves around Sinclair's position on the societal implications of extended lifespans. He asserts that radically increasing human lifespan could solve many societal woes. He refutes the idea that longevity will lead to overpopulation and argues that it could instead solve issues such as pension crises and the propagation of knowledge and skills. Lastly, the book's lessons extend to the realm of policy-making, where Sinclair warns against regulatory bodies' current attitudes that are slowing down the progress towards viable aging interventions. He calls for a paradigm shift from treating the symptoms of each age-related disease to targeting aging as a whole, which would transform it into an officially recognized and treatable condition. In conclusion, Lifespan: Why We Age and Why We Don't Have to not only dispels the accepted belief that aging is a necessary part of life, but also provides valuable lessons on how we might be able to alter this natural process. The potentially revolutionary ideas proposed by Sinclair could revolutionize how we perceive and approach aging, setting a new course for a future where humans possess control over their biological clocks.